everyone, my name is Olajumoke Disu. I am going to be talking about a software called the Google Keep, and it is absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right. It is absolutely free from Google. The thing we need to do with this app is to actually install, and we can do this through the Chrome Web Store, or you go to Google keep.google.com. We can actually do that now. Keep.google.com. And that will definitely take us to the Google Keep on page. So there we have it right here, and we can also do this through the Chrome Web Store. I'll just go ahead and launch the app right there. I just launched the app, and so now we can begin working on the app itself. It is, like I said, it is absolutely free, and Google Keep is a digital tool to make to-do lists. It allows me to stay organized, and it increases my productivity. It enables me to put together a to-do list and to take actions based on the to-do list that I take notes of. And these are things that I do daily on a daily basis. But if you're like me, who is a full-time student, obviously, and you do other things on the side, and you run multiple businesses, or you are an executive, a business executive, and you find out that you are always disorganized, and you really cannot set your priorities and know which task has more priority than the other task. And if you are also very forgetful, and if you don't really take account of, you just want to put things in an orderly manner and stay organized, then this app is definitely for you. It is sometimes it is really a big task to keep up with the different activities that we find ourselves engaged in every day, and sometimes we just forget to do some things because we are just engaged in other things, and it's just very difficult to keep up with different tasks, and even for the very multitasking people. So this app allows me to achieve my set goals, and be it for the day or for the week or for a particular time or month. It allows me achieve my set goals, and it it discourages me from modeling up tasks, which can be really time wasting. Trust me, and disorganizing. And so you already is I take my pen and paper, and I try and draft what I want to do for the day or what I want to do for the week. But and getting a pen and paper, because I find myself either on my phone or my PC a lot more than I can actually carry a paper and pen about. And sometimes the thoughts comes into my head, and the Google Keep is just my to-go app. And so you just need to sign up for your Gmail in order to be able to use this app. We'll just do a quick rundown, and I will just try and run through how the app works and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. This is the main menu. We have reminders. You can use the Google Keep for reminders. You can put different tasks, and you can actually archive your list, and you can actually share with somebody else. Take for instance, I have a shopping list, and I probably just want to share that with maybe my mom, and I'm going shopping, and I could just send her the shopping list and tell her to include whatever items she needs to get. And so you can share the Google Keep, and you can put a title to this. I'll call it my shopping list, and I would begin to add items. I'll begin to add items. I could have milk. I could have eggs. I could have what have you I could have peppers, and I could have fruits, vegetables. And so when you have this, I can change the color, because I personally don't like, if I have different to-do list. I don't like everything just being white. I can change the colors. Red for me means that it is important that I have to do. So I set the color codes according to the priority of the list, and so I can share with somebody. I can email to, let me see, okay, let me just, so it enables me share my list. And when I'm done with that, I just have that there. I could include something else and say I need to, I could say, for instance, Walmart, and I could say flowers or furniture, whatever you want to buy. And I actually like this because I could set a reminder, and this reminder enables me to actually be aware of the fact that I want to purchase these items anywhere I am close to any Walmart store. So I just put my location right here, and this is Walmart. So I set the reminder. Yes, I set the reminder, pick the place, and that is saved. So it reminds me that anywhere I am around Walmart, I need to get flowers and I need to get furniture. So that is really cool for me. And if you don't need any of this anymore, you can just go ahead, and if I want to archive this, for instance, I could just go ahead and archive that, or I could just undo that. So when you're in your bed, lying down in your bed, and you just remember something, you can just go ahead and take notes of whatever it is that you remembered. You can actually take notes with images also. So I can, for instance, if I want to be reminded of probably a meeting, or I want to be reminded of, okay, once again I will say shopping, because most of our to-do list usually involves shopping. I could take a picture of probably Walmart and set that as a reminder for me that I need to be at Walmart at a particular time. And so it is really interesting that you can actually do all of that in one app. I could also, if you're planning to take a probably a weight loss program, you could do that meal plan, weight loss meal plan. So I have that. So I could say breakfast, cereal, I could say eggs, I could say no carbs. And so it reminds me that I need to take this. I just set the date and time. You pick the date and the time, and I could change the color right here, and I have that done. Another very interesting feature of this app is that you can take a recording of whatever it is you want to do, and it's immediately translated into text for you. And it is just a very interesting app, and everybody should have this app and be able to get their hands on it and be able to organize their thoughts and their day-to-day actions. So, in summary, I know you have other competitors like Evernote and all of that, but I would rather choose the Google Keep over the Evernote because I mean it's really is an effective tool, and it allows me to seamlessly pass ideas through my work and home laptops via the web and free app mobile app on my Android phone. Take for instance, by that explanation or by that statement, I mean that I could want to work, take for instance, on an assignment and on a group assignment, and I'm in my bed. I take notes in my phone's Google Keep app while I'm at home or in transit or wherever, and I get to my PC or I get to my group study and it's right there on my browser. So, or you are at home and you want to just work notes at home, and when you get to work, it's right there on your browser. So it's very convenient and it's very easy to use, and it's a very interesting tool. You can book appointments. Rather, you can keep track of your appointments with this app. It just makes your life easier. It just makes your life easier. So it transcribes text from images. Like I wanted to show you right here. I could have this. Okay. I could have this image. I could have this image. I could take, for instance, I have that image. I want to transcribe it to text. Transcribe it to text. I just grab image text, and the image text is grabbed. And so I have the image text already. the back to school is not a text, so it's not grabbing that. Oh, but okay, let's the text from the image, just like it has done right there. So if you have an image that has multiple texts or a very long text, or you just tired of writing, and you could just do that. So it's really interesting. So in summary, the Google Keep is simply a synchronizing notepad that connects to Google Drive. It also supports photo notes, voice notes, and checklists. And it's ideal for quick notes and taking on the go. Anyone who appreciates simple, fast note-taking tools like I do, or to do apps, or for saving notes on the desktop that you will need on your Android phone. So if I save the text on my desktop and I go to my Android phone, or I go to my iOS phone, my device, I can access whatever text that I saved on it. Text like the shopping list, like I showed you, the shopping list, and the whatever the addresses for numbers and checklist and all of that cool stuff. And it is very interesting, and um the Google Keep is very fast. It is very fast. It's a 4.03. It requires a 4.03 or higher, but it is very fast. You want to remember somebody's phone number? Google Keep. I hope this has been really interesting for you, and I hope that you will include the Google Keep among your very, 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 very important apps to use every day. Bye bye.